Sa video natin ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo how to get started with Wix for free in August 2025. Kung matagal mo na iniisip gumawa ng website, sakto to kasi may free trial ang Wix sa lahat ng premium plans nito. Kaya tara, you can go ahead and get started with Wix for free. Kung hindi ka pa pamilyar sa Wix, gusto ko lang bigyan ka ng quick overview tapos sasabihin ko how to get sign up for free. Kung never ka pang gumamit ng Wix, isa to sa easiest website builders and I mean that in a good way. Drag and drop platform ito kaya hindi mo na kailangan mag-code or mess with anything complicated. Pipili ka lang ng template, i-click yung parts na gusto mong palitan at i-customize however you like. Kung gagawa ka naman ng blog, business site, online store o kahit portfolio, may template sa tools si Wix para sa lahat ng yan. Ang cool pa dyan, sobrang flexible nito. Pwedeng gawing simple lang o pwede kang mag-explore ng mas advanced feature gaya ng custom animations, member areas, email marketing, and even selling digital products. Perfect to for people who want their website to look polished kahit hindi mag-hire ng designer o developer. Kaya milyong-milyong users around the world trust Wix to power their online presence. Para makapag-sign up ng libre, i-click lang yung exclusive link namin sa description sa baba. Wala nang kailangan na credit card or anything. Ilagay mo lang yung email mo, i-click ang start now, tapos ipoprompt ka nito to create a password. Pag nakapasok ka na, you can go ahead and create a new site dito mismo. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang iba't ibang plans and pricing options para aware ka. Pag nakapasok ka na sa site mo, pwede ka mag-click ng upgrade anytime. Click lang natin ng compare plans. May ilang options sila para sa'yo. Meron silang light, core, business, at business elite. Lahat ng plans may kasamang custom domain, no Wix branding on-site, at 24/7 customer care. Yung light plan ay $17 per month. Makakakuha ka ng 2 collaborators, 2 gigabytes ng storage, like marketing suite, at free domain for 1 year. Yung core naman ay $29 per month at may kasama tong 5 collaborators, 50 gigabyte storage, basic marketing suite, ability to accept payments, at basic e-commerce. Meron ding business plan na $39 per month. Makakakuha ka dito ng 10 collaborators, 100 gigabytes of storage space, standard marketing suite, and standard e-commerce. And lastly is the business elite plan, which is $159 per month. Dito meron kang 100 collaborators, unlimited storage, and access sa advanced e-commerce at advanced developer platform. Ang maganda sa Wix is just it grows with you. Pwede kang mag-start sa free plan, then mag-upgrade sa light, and then the core once you need it, etc. Kaya ulitin ko, get started for free. Gamitin mo lang yung exclusive link namin sa baba. Gusto ko lang sabihin na affiliate links to ibig sabihin pwede kaming mag-earn ng small commission without an extra cost to you. Helps us gaya nito, kaya kung gagamitin mo yung link lang. Kung mo yung link namin sa baba, huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel at mag-iwan ng comment sa questions sa baba. We'd love to hear from you. Maraming salamat at kita-kits sa susunod na video.